Himself coming from fourth from the back of the pack, and he's already with 13 laps to go up into second position. He knows that the Stasher has had an incident, and it probably is staying ahead of Stash. We'll see how that one actually turns, because there was a very heavy knock that she had on the left hand front suspension.
Did you just call it Stash?
Yeah. No, not my stash, the Stash.
Oh, sorry.
Stash. Right, here we go. It's Pontus are going to lead them out. John Emerson comes the gas pretty quickly. Stash is in there with them as well. Even though Taylor Service has got Gerard Lowe that comes up on the inside. Gerard Lowe in the value cars entry up on the inside. Tony's entry. Stash a white ball slipping, watching and waiting.
Die kom hulle nou weer eens. Oh, ja, dit zijn die muur vast. Hy skraps die muur geraak toe hy verbykom. En dis Jan Visagie
the second position. The lady racer, Stash, Miss Natasha Whitehorn, the TTMS and the BPL Services car coming through in, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4th position. It's the next man through behind. Oh, William Gray's car doesn't look very good. What's the damage to the left corner?
Yeah, no, there's. I must ask you this, Gary.